Hello, we are the Lightcellar production team. I'm Holly Jones, medical herbalist.
And I'm Angela Buick, holistic nutritionist.
And we have some more fun summer crafts.
Oh my gosh, we did so many things this summer. Thanks
We did.
to not just us, thanks also to Malcolm, who helped with a lot of these because his garden, and thanks to Holly. We just got, it was a boon this year. There was a lot of rain and the plants just flourished.
Yeah, super abundant, and we have captured that abundance and vitality from the summer in these tinctures. So you'll notice some new labels in the store with the purple banner. These are all of our fresh tinctures that we have. So we have 6 that we're holding here. There's 2 more coming, but a lot of the ones like the nettle and the cleavers, a lot of herbalists will say that fresh is really best because they have compounds that degrade a little bit more quickly. So you can kind of tell with the color. I'm not going to open these, but they're like so green. They're so green and beautiful, and like they taste amazing. And you kind of forget when something's just leafy that it does have an aroma.
That's an indicator. Same with food, right? That's an indicator of our medicine, of the nutrition that's in the actual plant.
Yes. So we've got mullein, nettle leaf, and willow bark, and then skullcap, California poppy, and cleavers.
Ooh, all serving different sort of body parts and body systems, but like amazing. And so I just want to say, for those of you who don't know a ton about herbs, like I did not 5 years ago, fresh is that like we pick it and we tincture it right away. So it's a great way to preserve your harvest when you have a garden and you have like an abundance of nettle, for example, which grows so beautifully and ubiquitously. Like you can just pick and like put straight away into your menstruum, into your tincture fluid, your solution.
Yeah, so you don't need a lot of space to dry things. There's not like the whole process. It's just you put it in the jar with the alcohol. There's some measuring involved.
There is. Because of course the fresh has more water content. But come to the shop and we can tell you more about the process. But the products themselves are so beautiful. And I know, what's the main thing you notice between the fresh and the dry? Say for example with like something like skullcap, which is your favorite herb. That's why I mentioned that one.
The fresh is immediately like grounding and sinking feeling, and I'm in my feet. And the fresh does that too, but at like a much higher dose.
The dry does, yeah.
The dry does that too, but with a much higher dose. The fresh is kind of like a dropper full, and I'm like,
yeah, it's amazing. I mean, dried is amazing as well, but when we can do fresh, especially for these particular herbs, we do it, and we did it.
We did it. So come enjoy. We have samples as always.
We do have samples, so you're welcome to just kind of like check out the organoleptics, the flavor, the smell, the look of all of these beautiful, beautiful tinctures.
Yeah, and maybe we will go in depth on some soon. See you later.
Thanks for watching.